Let's talk about building trust with your audience as an affiliate marketer so you can basically get them to buy anything whatsoever that you recommend. Of course, when I say anything, take that with a grain of salt. It is a bit tongue-in-cheek. I don't mean that you can sell anything to anyone, and obviously don't try to just sell anything to everyone because that will definitely not build trust with your audience. So this video is a direct answer to the question from Mirko's Digital Insights, where he said, great content anyway, could you do a video on how to build trust with your audience? Like how to create a lead magnet, including the first follow-up emails. For example, once people opt into your squeeze page, should you create a thank you page introducing yourself and then give away content through your email marketing? He goes on to ask, when should you start selling affiliate products to your audience? Well, the answer to that is simply as soon as possible. But before we get to answering this question, we need to back up a second, and everyone needs to understand the basic concept of the marketing funnel. So what is a marketing funnel? The marketing funnel is a visualization for understanding the process of turning leads into customers, with the idea being that marketers cast a broad net to capture as many leads as possible and then slowly nurture prospective customers through the purchasing decision, narrowing down these candidates in each stage of the funnel. And the actual visual representation of that marketing funnel, or as you can see here, I've renamed this the trust funnel, looks like this. Now at this point, it's very important that you understand that we're talking about the marketing funnel, but we're talking about marketing and sales and when they come together. And of course, in this case, they come together at the bottom of the funnel when a sale is actually made. In this case, we're talking about when you make an affiliate sale and earn an affiliate commission. This is all done by casting that wide net and then finding people, your prospects, your target market, your ideal customer, and getting them to come into your funnel. And this directly answers the question that was asked about what type of lead magnet to create and how does that lead magnet actually build trust? Well, the real answer here is trust is built through getting results. That means actually helping people. So it doesn't really matter what your lead magnet is, meaning it's an ebook, it's an opt-in form to a video where you help someone out, or it's a direct link to an affiliate offer after someone gives you their email address. As long as that solves their problem and gets them the result that they want, that in itself will build trust. But going back to the trust funnel or the marketing funnel, and we're talking about lead generation and we're talking about building our funnel, we're talking about awareness. And as you can see at the very top of this diagram, awareness is the biggest part or the largest part. It is the wide net. That is where prospects or prospective clients or the people that you want to buy your products as an affiliate marketer come into your funnel. Again, this is lead generation. This is where people opt in. Once they come in here, they're going to be different people at different stages, opt in here at awareness, and then they're going to make their way down the funnel. At each one of these stages, you're going to increase interest. People are going to have different considerations, as well as when you get down here into lead nurturing, you're talking about the intent. One thing to take note of in this phase is product demos. We're not really going to be looking at shopping carts and this sales ads to nurture streams. Here in this case, product demos are things that we can do to build trust. Again, this comes back to your lead magnet and what your lead magnet does. Your lead magnet should be getting results. And a good result for a person is showing them a product, doing a demonstration, doing a product review, showing people what a product is, how it works, and exactly how the product is going to help them. So back to Mirko's Digital Insights and his questions. Now we're getting down here to the part where he asked, when should you start selling affiliate products to your list, etc. These things, building trust and thinking about content to give away to your audience to establish yourself as an expert seems really hard. He also mentioned the part about being an English native speaker. Now that piece of the puzzle I can't put together for you. If a language or speaking English is a barrier, then that's just a hurdle that you're going to have to overcome yourself, either making your English better or outsourcing that piece of the puzzle and getting someone to do voiceovers for your videos or to write your content. But after that, the case of establishing yourself as an expert, again, comes back to building that trust, and the trust is results. The results that you get for your audience, again, via your lead magnet, no matter what it is, an ebook, a special report, your newsletter, your emails. Again, a direct link to an affiliate product can be a result if it is at the right time according to the stages of awareness or when you're inside of the funnel. Again, inside the trust funnel and the marketing funnel, we have awareness, which is the top of the funnel in this case. And this simply means, are people aware of the problem or the solution? And in this case, building trust with you, are they sure or are they aware that you are an expert? Well, when they first see you or first hear you, of course, they probably don't. That's why you develop more content or you run more ads, you retarget those ads, and you follow up consistently inside of your lead magnet funnel. And of course, what that looks like here in this case is your target audience is looking for a solution. In this case, they find your content on YouTube, they go to your opt-in page, they get on your email list, and you send them more emails to more content and more offers on YouTube, your blog post, your product reviews, and that leads over to your affiliate offer. On an even larger scale and a real world funnel is one that you see right here. And as you can see in this real world example, you're going to see all the touch points in that marketing funnel. Of course, at the top is awareness. So you can see all these Facebook posts, Facebook ads leading to a webinar. Let me zoom that in. That leads to a webinar thank you, a webinar broadcast, and then the order page. Down here is more Facebook posts, more Facebook ads. It's a different webinar to a six-figure coach. This could easily be a retarget from the original online trainers club to here. Again, back to the thank you page. Scroll down, you're going to see even more aspects of getting more leads into your funnel. Cold to warm lead generation, Facebook ad, Facebook ad, Facebook ad, Facebook ad to a new webinar, a webinar thank you page, Facebook ads to join a 100K program, calendar pop-ups. Check this out, a phone call. That leads to setting an appointment. That leads people to make an appointment here. It also leads to more Facebook. This could easily be a lead magnet here where you're giving 5 steps to exactly how to do something. Again, building trust by giving results or leading your audience to a result via that 5-step lead magnet that you gave them. And this is just a really high level example, but that's all it is at the end of the day. And that's why my answer right here, sure, I can do that, but the simple answer is it depends. You can really do it any way you like, as long as you start off and let your audience know who and what you are about from the beginning or first contact. So to specifically answer the question and the reason for this video, how do you build trust? What type of lead magnet should you create? Should you create a thank you page? Should you follow up? And when should you start trying to sell your affiliate product? You should start trying to sell your affiliate product at the point that it provides the end result that you're trying to get for your audience. But again, that all depends on where they are inside of your marketing funnel and what stage of awareness overall they are of you and the trust that they've put in you from the content that you've already given them and how well you have helped them up to this point or the point that you provide that link. They click on that link, they head over to the affiliate offer, they buy the offer actually solves their problem, thus building more trust and thus allowing you to sell more affiliate products or even your own product at that stage because they definitely trust you at that point because you have delivered a result. And again, that's why it depends, and that's why this video is the answer. It might not be the answer that you were looking for, but it is the answer, and it will get you the result that you want as an affiliate marketer because it is the best strategy. And speaking of strategies, if you would like to understand and know more about my #1 recommended strategy for getting traffic, go ahead, click on the video you see right now. Learn exactly how to create content, turn that content into leads, and turn those leads into sales. And I'll see you in that video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.